Did you know potatoes were once feared? People in Europe called it a devil's plant. For this dish, let's take 4 medium potatoes. When potatoes came from South America, people didn't know how to eat them. They ate the leaves and got sick. And the edible part, they threw it away. Grate the potatoes on a coarse grater. Make sure the shreds are nice and even. Keep going. We're almost done. Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. In France, potatoes were even banned for a while. Then one man changed everything. Antoine Parmentier. Look at all that golden potato! Let's salt our potatoes and leave them for now. This will help draw out the moisture. Add a moderate amount of oil to the pan. Now, squeeze the potatoes thoroughly to remove the liquid and place them in the pan. Spread it evenly so it cooks nicely. So, Antoine Parmentier guarded the potato fields with soldiers. Sounds extreme, right? But there's a twist. Here, make sure to cover it with a lid. This helps the potatoes cook evenly. While the potatoes cook, let's whisk a couple of eggs. Let's add some salt and spices. Mix them in well so every bite is tasty. Look at that color! So bright! Ready for the next step soon. Let's chop some herbs right away. You can use any you like. Great! The potatoes are almost ready. Let's get back to the story. At night, the potatoes were forgotten to be guarded. That's when people started sneaking in. People started stealing potatoes, and that's how they became popular. Cover it with a lid until the egg sets. Great. Now we need to flip it. Do it as carefully as possible. Use a spatula to keep it intact. Take your time. We want it just right. Look at that. Golden color. Perfect. Let's fry it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Almost ready. Patience pays off. From a devil's plant to this crispy golden crust. Not bad, right? You can make this dish for breakfast or dinner when you're short on time. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Let's taste it and enjoy.